Hey guys, I'm doing a quick unboxing. I got a new battery in, a new FV100. When you buy aftermarket or third-party batteries, when it comes to MMH, they're not correct. Like these are Wasabi, they're 3,900 mAh, which they're not. I got those on Amazon, and these are Nexel batteries, they're 4,500 mAh, which they're not, because it has less power than this one. Even my Sony FDRX53. So I decided to buy this battery. There's actually a pretty funny story how I found this battery, which I didn't know existed. I was looking for this one camcorder that Ghost Hunter #1. This one Sony handycam he has. And I was on Google, and then this battery popped up. I was like, I didn't know this company makes camcorder batteries. I know they make car batteries and other batteries, but I did not know they make camcorder batteries. So that's how I basically found it. Wait, open her up. By the way, I forgot to buy a poster frame for this. It's that big and it's in the house. I don't know how it's 2 pounds when it's not even 2 pounds. Here it is. Duracell. Let me zoom in more. Duracell Ultra rechargeable. And it's basically 3,600 mAh. I got this from Batteries Plus Bulb. This is what I found by accident. Look for some camcorder that Ghost Hunter #1 has. Thank you, Ghost Hunter #1. So free. I actually found this battery. So hopefully this battery is good, because I do not have $150 or $200 to afford Sony brand battery while I'm dropping it. I'm gonna basically charge it and stick it in my Sony FDR-AX53. See what's the power on it. How many hours? Well, I have my SR12 recording.